guys, today I'm gonna be playing Undertale once again. So hey, what is this? Oh, I am doing genocide, remember? So yes, a Vegetoid, yes. I'm saying this on purpose. First morning taste. Oh shoot, bouncy. First morning taste. Oh shoot. You won! You earned 6 experience and 1 gold. You love it, Chris. You won. Okay. Now the spikes are gonna open. This is as far I've been gone. So all you peeps out there. Oh shoot, this might take a while. What's going on? Oh, I forgot to get some items. Oh shoot. I'm dead. So dead. After this fight, I'm walking all the way back. It'll take a long time. Don't. How do I ace? I will kill you. I just don't want to get hurt. Don't hurt me. Just don't hurt me. Please. No. Don't hurt me. Okay. I'm so dead. Oh, I haven't been here before. It is a switch. Press it. Yes. Nothing happened. Really? What is that? I'm gonna click all them switches. It's a switch. Press it. Nothing happened. Really? There's a red switch. If nothing happens again, I'm gonna be so mad. The switch. What? Press it. Okay. Nothing will happen. A switch. Why'd you give me this? Oh, for fights. Eh? It's probably nothing. I don't want to fight anybody now. The switch, press it. Yes. Nothing happened. No. That's my baby brother. The switch, press it. Nothing happened. Is the switch, press it? Yeah, nothing happened. Oh, all I just want to do is meet Toriel at her house. I'm sad, scared, alone, dying. She's gonna let me die over here. She's gonna let me die all the way over here. You notice there was a blue switch behind the top pillar. Wait, really? This way, you hear a clicking sound. What was that? Oh, that. I didn't realize that. This is a prank, levers. Kids, don't flick. It's gonna send you all the way over here, kids. Don't do this. I'm a kid. Why am I saying this? It was that. What's this? That's probably a prank one. I'm I'm not trusting you, Liver. Hear a clicking sound. Yeah. Ah, man. No! Most one? What about you? So dead, guys. No, you cannot give up just yet. I'll be back right quick to be all the way back there. Hey guys, I finally passed up, so let's get to this. Oh, what is this? What is past this? Oh my gosh. Knife. He found a toy knife. Wow, this is so cool, guys. Can't believe I made it all the way over here. I do not believe it. Oh dear, that took longer than I thought it would. Finally, you're here. How did you get here, my child? Are you hurt? Who did this to you? You will get an apology. I should not have left you alone for so long. It was irresponsible to try to surprise you like this. Well, I suppose I cannot hide it any longer. Come, small one. Where am I going? Finally! Toriel's house! What's this? Seeing such a cute, tidy house in the rooms is such... Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made it this far. Do you smell that? Surprise! It's a butterscotch cinnamon pie. I thought we might celebrate your anniversary. You might have some life to hold off a small pie. Here, I have another surprise for you. I am coming with you. I'm going down here. And I'm gonna fight you. Hey, do not go down here. I have something to show you upstairs. Do you have to go really fast all the time, Toriel? This is it. A room of your own. I hope you like it. Sorry, I'm gonna have to kill you. Is something wrong? Make yourself at home. Oh, what's this? Look at these cool toys. Don't they interest you at all? Okay, let's explore what's in here. Nothing? Okay, I'm just gonna go downstairs. Toriel? Toriel? Mom? Mom? Hello there, little one. The pie is not cooked down yet. Perhaps you should take a nap. Sweet dreams. Psych. Taking some pie. Wait, it's already someone in my room. I know that. Okay. This is so cool. He found a slice of butterscotch and cinnamon pie. I eat it. I hope she doesn't find me. I'm going down here. I'm gonna keep going down here until she lets me. I think you should play upstairs instead. It is dangerous to play here. I will keep going. It is drafty here. You will catch a cold. I'm still going, Toriel. This is dusty. You will catch a cough. Okay, I don't care. There is nothing to see here. Then what? I want to see if there's nothing here. Check myself. Do you want to read a book? No. I want to see what's finding out. I do not like the game you are playing. It's really funny. Why not go for a walk in the yard? I'm gonna kill you soon. Okay guys, I'll pause it right here and then I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.